Hi. Today meditation is about feeling free with our body. My name is Dorit Bar and I am a healer and a sex therapist, a couple therapist also. I'm happy to be here with you, sitting nakedly in the forest, listening to the wind and feeling the sun on my skin. I feel pleasure. Today meditation, like all the meditation in this series, I choose another simple way to connect to our body, to love our body, and to feel more pleasure and more calmness in the body. So the meditation I'm suggesting today is being naked, outside of the regular context of being naked. Usually we are naked in the shower and we are naked while making love. And I suggest to be naked in other circumstances, in places where you can feel free and safe. And in nature it's the best. But also indoors, just allowing yourself to be for a few hours indoors while you are doing your everyday things that you do. Maybe you cook, maybe you write, maybe you work from the house. And when you do it nakedly, you are allowing yourself to meet the body outside of the sexual context or the erotic context or the shower context. You allow yourself to feel the body to see the body, to touch the body in a very daily context. This is like simple intimacy, basic intimacy between me and my body. And when I cook nakedly or clean the house or just sit on the sofa, I allow myself to feel my body and be with it without criticizing it, without putting clothes on it. In my experience, allowing myself to be naked opened me in new levels when I make love. I feel more free in the body. I feel I know it better. I am more connected to it. So being naked outside of a sexual context is a way to connect to the body. Try it. If you live in a partnership, allow yourself to do it together. Talk about it and allow yourself to try together for 1 hour. That is outside of bed. And if you have children, definitely you have to feel it more inside your body. How do you feel with it? And of course, be sensitive to the reaction of the children. When children see nudity, since they are very little, very young, they approach to nakedness like part of life. And they learn the boundaries, of course. We are not walking naked in the street or in the mall. But we can do it in the house with the family, with a close family or friends. If your children are bigger, then there is the necessity for more sensitivity just to see the reaction. And if they are contracting in front of it, definitely we will not do it, we will not continue to do it until we speak about it again and ask the child, how does he feel about it? How does she feel about it? And maybe slowly it will open up. But definitely if the children are bigger and they are not used to it, there has to be a lot of communication around it so that They will not feel something is forced upon them, but they will feel this is like a new habit that the family wants to try, and it is always open for authentic, intimate communication about it. Nothing is happening by force, okay? And if you live alone, then really you are free. In this matter, you can do it whenever you feel like, whenever is possible for you, and see how you feel, see what kind of emotions comes up. How is it for you to go close to a mirror and look at the body outside of a sexual context? How do you feel about it? And just breathe into the emotion that comes up. And of course, you can share with me your experience, ask me questions. I will definitely be very happy to hear from you. So I'll see you in the next meditation. Have a great nudity meditation. Thank you very much for being here with me today, and good day.